Hey there! Did you know that plants can actually reduce stress and boost happiness just by being in your room? Yep, scientists say even a small potted plant can calm your mind. So this Christmas, instead of the usual mugs or sweaters, why not gift something that grows, literally? In today's video, I'm sharing 10 of the best potted plants to gift this Christmas. Perfect for any home, any budget, and any plant lover. Let's dig in. 1. Poinsettia. Let's start with the Christmas classic, poinsettia. Those bright red leaves are practically shouting, "Merry Christmas." This plant loves bright, indirect light and doesn't need much water. It's a holiday favorite because it blooms beautifully in December. Tip: keep it away from cold drafts or heaters. They hate sudden temperature changes. 2. Christmas cactus. Here's a plant that knows the season. The Christmas cactus blooms right around the holidays with pink, red, or white flowers. Unlike regular cacti, it prefers humidity and indirect light. It's super easy to care for and can live for decades. I've seen some passed down through families. 3. Peace lily. If your friend or family member doesn't have much sunlight at home, gift them a peace lily. It's one of the best low-light plants out there. The white blooms symbolize peace and harmony, perfect for Christmas vibes. Plus, NASA confirmed it helps clean indoor air. 4. Snake plant. This one's for people who forget to water. The snake plant is nearly indestructible. It thrives in any light and only needs water once every 2 to 3 weeks. It's also known for releasing oxygen even at night, a great bedroom plant. 5. Jade plant. Known as the money plant or friendship tree, the jade plant is said to bring prosperity and good luck. It's a perfect holiday gift if you want to wish someone abundance for the new year. Keep it in bright light and let the soil dry out between watering. 6. Rosemary. This one's both decorative and useful. A small rosemary plant adds a lovely scent to the room and can be used in cooking, especially for those festive Christmas dinners. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and don't overwater. 7. Orchids. Elegant, delicate, and long-lasting. Orchids make anyone's space feel luxurious. Modern hybrids are much easier to care for than people think. Water them once a week, give them indirect light, and they'll bloom beautifully for months. 8. Mini succulent set. Perfect for coworkers or friends. Succulents come in adorable little pots, are low maintenance, and can even be arranged as a mini garden. In 2025, succulent mixed gift boxes are trending online. Cute, affordable, and easy to personalize. 9. Anthurium. This tropical beauty adds a splash of color with its shiny red or pink flowers. It loves warm rooms and humidity, so it's perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. Bonus: it blooms all year long with the right care. 10. Calathea. If you want something unique, go for the calathea. Its leaves open during the day and close at night, almost like it's praying. They come in amazing patterns and colors. Just keep them away from direct sunlight and use filtered water if possible. Extra tips: always check if the person you're gifting has pets. Some plants like lily and poinsettias can be toxic to cats or dogs. Add a small note or tag with care instructions. It makes the gift feel more thoughtful. Choose ceramic or eco-friendly pots for a nice finishing touch. If you're mailing the plant, pick hardy ones like succulents or snake plants that can handle travel. So, which of these plants would you love to give or receive this Christmas? Tell me in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this little green gift guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss more easy plant tips and gift ideas. Until next time, keep growing joy one pot at a time.